Hey everyone, welcome back to Zohaib Cars Reviews and Technology, the channel where we explore the world's most luxurious and futuristic vehicles. Today, we're diving into something truly royal, the upcoming Rolls-Royce luxury ships, cars, and even a motorbike concept. Yes, you heard that right, Rolls-Royce is taking luxury beyond the roads and onto the waters. Oncoming Car Segment 1. Rolls-Royce Upcoming Luxury Cars. When we talk about luxury on wheels, one name always stands tall: Rolls-Royce. The upcoming Rolls-Royce models for 2026 and beyond are blending traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a car that not only drives itself but feels like a moving five-star suite. The next-generation Rolls-Royce Spectre, a fully electric masterpiece, represents silent power and zero-emission elegance. With its futuristic digital cockpit, premium leather interior, and customizable starlight ceiling, it's redefining what luxury electric cars should be. And let's not forget, every model still carries that timeless spirit of ecstasy emblem, reminding us that Rolls-Royce is more than just a car. It's a status symbol, a moving piece of art. Motorboat Segment 2. Rolls-Royce Luxury Ships, the future on water. Now, let's move from roads to oceans. Rolls-Royce has entered the world of luxury yachts and smart ships, designed for the world's elite. These floating palaces feature AI-powered navigation, sustainable hybrid engines, and interiors inspired by their premium cars. Imagine standing on the deck of a Rolls-Royce ship with panoramic glass walls, marble flooring, and an automated control system that makes sailing as smooth as driving a Phantom. Some upcoming concept ships even include drone landing pads, private pools, and underwater observation lounges, turning sea travel into an unforgettable royal experience. Motorcycle Segment 3. Rolls-Royce Luxury Motorbike Concept. And now, something truly unique, the Rolls-Royce Luxury Motorbike Concept. This futuristic design combines raw power with unmatched elegance. It's crafted with carbon fiber, chrome detailing, and a gold-accented finish. The bike features an electric engine that delivers silent strength, adaptive suspension for ultimate comfort, and a digital display inspired by Rolls-Royce aircraft technology. It's not just a bike, it's a statement of class for those who dare to dream differently. Money Bag Segment 4. Price and Prestige. Now, let's talk about what everyone's curious about: the price. Rolls-Royce vehicles are not just machines, they're luxury investments. The upcoming Rolls-Royce Spectre is expected to start around $400,000, while custom models can go beyond $700,000. As for the ships, the luxury yachts could cost millions of dollars, depending on customization and technology packages. The concept motorbike, if produced, might be valued around $150,000 to $250,000, making it one of the world's most exclusive two-wheel experiences. So friends, whether it's on land, water, or wheels, Rolls-Royce continues to prove that luxury has no limits. Their upcoming creations show us that the future